I'm Bill Whitley. We've had this office almost 10 years. We opened it, it was a warehouse basically. We built it out and opened August of 2009.
My name is Tamara Whitley. I'm the co-owner of Whitley Family Dental with Dr. Bill, and my day-to-day role is office director. The state of the practice technology-wise a year ago is night and day different than where we are now. Our digital technology specialist came in to do the assessment of what we had, and that's unfortunately when I found out that I had bad equipment, not enough memory, didn't have a server. I'm sitting here going, oh my goodness, what am I going to do if I have to replace all of these computers that are pretty much worthless? How is that going to play to the bottom line budget? And he had an answer for me. It was Omnicore. I didn't have to buy it. And that's the beautiful thing in having this technology, is that I get to lease it. And sometimes people shy away from leases. This is the best of all worlds, because if I was to buy that equipment from scratch and own it, it would take me at least 5 years to pay that off. And then by that time, the way technology is going, that technology is out of date. And then I would have to upgrade that technology. I don't have to do that anymore. I lease my equipment. If anything happens, it's all on you guys. So having that safety and that peace of mind that I get, knowing that there's a whole army of technology experts that has my back, that's beautiful, because that's just awesome. You can tell I love that data. They are part of Whitley Family Dental just as much as our hygienists, our assistants, our front office staff. They are our IT group, and I never have to hire another one because they're always going to be there.
I don't want to buy that stuff. I don't know that stuff. I know teeth. I don't know computers. And so to me, it made no sense to buy it. It made no sense to lease.
Do not buy your own equipment, and do not go out and hire an IT guy that says that they can do it all, because I assure you they can't. They don't have the expertise, and they don't go deep enough into knowing what dental offices need. And so I would tell that dentist absolutely to go with hardware as a service with Omnicore, because it's worry-free. It's the best money you're ever going to spend.